Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont, guys. And what we'll show you guys, if you have a Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont and you're trying, guys, to see how to test your seatbelt buckles, okay, or occupant sensor mat, okay, the one that detects if there is a person in the seat, or you want to test your seatbelt buckles if you have a light on, or you always have that dinging seatbelt light on. We'll show you guys how to test that now. Let me tell you guys, we have more than 200 videos on every Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, any vehicle that we get at the shop. So on this journey, including this car, guys, we have more than 200 videos. So please subscribe. Our mission is to save you as much money, guys, as we can. So we'll turn the ignition on. Okay, turn the ignition on. Do not start the car. You see it says run. Do not press the brake pedal. Lights on. Engine off. We'll be using here Maxicom, guys. You can find these two listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So this is amazing scanner that works not just on Dodge vehicles, okay, that thing works on any make and model, and it can pay itself off in one-time use. It's very inexpensive in my opinion. I'll click VIN number, auto detect, and it's going to analyze, decode the VIN number and tells us exactly which vehicle we have, so we don't have to manually select it. Why not take advantage of the system and let the system do the work for us, right? So this is the correct vehicle. Now it's establishing communication. It's going to take a couple seconds. We are ready to go. Diagnosis, control unit. Airbag is usually under body, guys. So seat belts, occupant sensor, they will be under airbag. Now right here we can click live data. And you can check pretty much your whole airbag system. You can see live data and all that stuff. Okay, it's amazing. And if we go down, okay, check out now what we have right here. Passenger seat belt switch. This is your seat belt buckle. It says fastened, not fastened now. Check it out. Not fastened. So let's install the belt and see what's happening. It changes to fastened. Okay, now not fastened. Let's go again. Fastened. So that, guys, definitely works. Now I'm going to try mine. Okay, you can see the other one is the driver belt here. Okay, so let's see what will happen when I click it in. Listen now. Fasten. Okay, if I unbuckle, unfasten, buckle, fasten. So that, guys, definitely works. Okay, both of them work. Now, the occupant detection status, okay, it's right here. You can see it's occupied because we have a heavy adult sitting in the seat. Now, if we get up, see what's going to happen. It says unoccupied. Let's sit down. Okay, it takes a little bit of time. It says occupied. Now, let's go back up. Okay, unoccupied. So that definitely works, guys, as well. That's how you test the occupant sensor and the seatbelt buckles. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.